So good evening to all. Hope you are doing great. So today in this video, we'll be discussing about Railtel share. So 2 days back when we have discussed about Railtel, so mainly we have done the volume analysis. So we have seen how the volume has been fluctuating on a regular basis. So in that video, we have discussed two important supports. So one was 140 rupees level and another one was 135. So on Thursday, so that is on Wednesday, considerably the stock has obeyed the 140 rupees level and it has shown some retracement and it has closed with almost 3% positive movement. So what can be the next targets? We'll discuss that, and I wanted to discuss something important related to the bulk deals that happened in Railtel. So I wanted to discuss some important points, so I'll discuss that. So make sure you watch the video till the end, and if you're new to the channel then definitely subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get instantly notified. Okay, if you have not joined the Telegram, so do join the Telegram so that any important updates will not be missed. So about Railtel, I discussed in Telegram that 140 is the good support on that particular day when it was trading near 140 rupees level. So again, it has retraced and gone above 150 rupees as well. Okay, so many people are having doubt regarding whether we can hold this particular stock for long term. So whenever we hold any stock, so first we see the valuation and also we see how much ROCE as well as ROE the company is giving. So if you see ROC as well as ROE, so clearly you can see ROCE is around 17.8%, that is return on capital employed, and if you see ROE, that is return on equity, you are getting almost 13.2%. So one of the major reason that it is halting any person is its valuation. So we know that it is little in overvalued region. So basically any IPO which is launched into the market, it launches with little overvaluation, but later we know that the operators who are present in that particular stock, they try to book some profits where retailers will be struck at high levels. So not only this, so many IPOs recently we have discussed a few IPOs, right? So most of them have shown some sort of correction. But another important thing is that when potential is present, especially in Railtel companies where it has very good business, not only in our sector but also in different fields as well, whereas VPN services that it provides, so ultimately it is positive note, but when little correction happens, you need to find the opportunity. Okay, if you see the companies wise, if you see pros as well, you will see that it is completely debt free and also maintaining healthy dividend payout. So basically when we invest in any government company, we expect some dividend payout as well. So it is paying dividend payout, and the movement, the volatility which we have seen is very attractive. So quickly we'll see the delivery activity, so how much deliveries have been taken, and then we'll switch out to the charts and find out the next possible targets. So I told about bulk deals as well, right? So we'll discuss about that as well. Okay, so if we see the day-to-day wise delivery, if you see ultimately the traded quantity has dropped out, and if you see the deliveries, if you see from March 5th onwards, you can see 41 was present, again 43, 46, again on March 10th we have considerably seen only less deliveries, only 23% deliverable quantities was present. So traded quantity obviously was present because it has shown almost 2.9% positive movement. So after the big movement, you can see 40, you can see 20 plus 20, two upper circuits. After the two upper circuit, we have seen considerably a decent correction. Okay, decent correction was seen. So now again it is trying to retrace. So what is that particular level we can focus, where we can average or we can try to have a fresh entry? We'll see that. Okay, so I told that we'll see something about bulk deals. So what you can see in bulk deals, so majorly I tell that if any normal institution is investing, it's okay, but any major institutions like Nippon India Mutual Fund and another one you can see here, Goldman Sachs India. So Goldman Sachs India, you can see how many shares it has taken at 113.57 rupees level. So this is very important. You need to understand when a foreign institution is investing and when a normal Indian company is investing. So whenever Indian company they invest, we know they exit at a certain period of time. So they basically do the trading. But foreign institutions, so when they invest in any company, they hold for certain period of time. They average it rather than doing trading. They add at each and every fall and they average. So that is the speciality about any foreign investment. So example, if you want an example, I can give you Root Mobile. So Root Mobile, we know in that also Goldman Goldman Sachs has invested near 606 rupees level. So when it has shown correction at that particular correction, they have invested again. When it has corrected near 500 like that, so that time also they have invested. So ultimately now you can see the share, right, it's trading near 1600 plus. So that is what is called the potential. They invest only in companies which have the potential, and right now you can see it is a good opportunity for you. So don't have any panic situation. Even it is correcting, okay, it may retrace again, so that is not a big issue. Even if you're invested 180 or 190, so don't have any worries. Okay, so Nippon India is one thing and Goldman Sachs is another one. So these are very things. These are all Ashwin stocks investment. I told you, right? So they give entry, again they give exit. They only do the trading. They're not interested in investing at all. So those companies are negligible. Like Goldman Sachs and those things are little better to watch. Okay, so we're back on the technical chart. So this is the 1-day chart. So if we see, currently it's near 148.40 rupees, and if we see the chart, we have seen some considerable movement. Again, it has faced some resistance near the 190 region and it has corrected. So what was the support that we have discussed? So clear support is 140. So I discussed that as well. So little it has filled this particular gap. You can see this gap has been filled, and again it is trying to go up. So strictly take 140 as the support, and take if you want you can take 135 as well. So both are very good. So that's what I have discussed in earlier videos. So take these two as important supports and go for targets of 180. Okay, you can go for those targets. So trade cautiously. So market, we know that today it has closed. Again tomorrow we may see some gap up opening, because today's SGX Nifty is currently around 15,300 plus. Okay, so that is again positive thing. So make sure you trade cautiously. If you're doing any swing or positional, so watch the levels and then only enter. So follow the support and resistance pattern and take the right entry and exit at the right moment. So everything is clear, right? So you can hold this particular stock for long term. Potential is there, so everything is good. Only little expensive, but it has corrected to some extent. Even if it corrects, the levels that we can watch are clearly discussed. So further, if you have any doubts, you can message me in the comment section. So until then, take care. Bye bye.